like, I don't really know where my oven is, but I want to cook food. Could you help me find it? Okay, let's come. Okay, so I don't know where to. Is it over here? I can't find my oven. My oven. Like, I can't find my oven. My oven is right here. No. Guys, now I think we should check the closet. Right here. We found my oven. Come. So we found my oven. You see? But what's inside? Come. Okay. I want to see what's inside here. Do we have to build our own oven? Let's put this in. It's kind of like a divider. Guys, our oven's all done. We just have to organize it. Maybe like this. That's good. Okay, so what should we cook first? Okay, so let's get out our plate. I think we should cook the pizza first. So yummy. Okay. It's gonna be good. So fun. Don't you feel? I didn't even ask you. We have to wait until it dings. Ding, ding. Let's open it. Wow. Let's turn off the oven. It's really hot. Let's keep it to dry. So, guys, do know this. I think we should take it off of the plate because we're still using it for other foods. Put it right here. Now I think I'm going to do the croissant. Yummy croissants. Did you know croissants are from Paris? Slip this croissant in. Guys, it doesn't sound right. Let's take this out. Let's use our spatula. I see a little gunk in there. Let's take it. Let's take it off. Let's put it right here. That's ewy gunk. Look. Blah. Yeah. Now we have to cook our croissants. Let's put a croissant in. Great. I don't know what it's gonna do, guys, because I think it's just a little broken because we just took that gunk out. And I think it's gonna be done when I'm talking because I'm talking a lot. Did you know that? Ding, ding. Wow. Wow. So hot. I think these things are gonna taste really, really, really yummy. I think I should cook the donut next. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, cook it in the oven. Ah! Let's get our spatula and try to flip it. If we can't flip it, then we can just put it. And I don't think I know how to flip yet. And last is the yummy cinnamon roll. Did you know cinnamon rolls are so yummy? Like, they're the yummiest ever. You know, I don't really like the pizza, even though it's all dry. I don't really like it. I don't really like pizza that much. And not really croissants. I never tried one. Donuts, they are really yummy, like pizzas and croissants, even though I never tried a croissant. I said not really. Like, I do like pizza though. Ah. But donuts are like, just like pizzas. So, yeah. Wait, did that drag? Well, we could put on toppings in a little. Ding, ding. Wow! It was really hot there. Since it's the last thing we baked for treats, the last one. Oh, it does really look really baked. Like, I baked this one, like, kinda. This one, like, it was so short. This one, kind of like this one, but a little shorter. But this one makes the most longest. Let's put that. Guys, I think, it's topping time. Okay, first I want to do the pizza. So that has this topping and this topping. I really like this one. So get the pizza, put it on there. Yummy. Now, like, I think the donut. Who likes chocolate? Yum, yum, yum. And strawberry. I think I really like strawberry, but like I like both, but I really like strawberry. I got strawberry everything. I don't eat normal strawberries though. Did you know that? Some rule. I think like my brother and my mom would like this. I think more after. Like, let me show you. But I really like this. So I would choose the weight fasting. Yum. This looks delicious. I want to eat it right now. But it's not edible. The croissant has no toppings. So let's just put it. Guys, it was the best time with you. I love baking. I'm going to go serve these to my family. Bye.